Hello, and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a mini review of the Iope Plant Stem Cell Emulsion. Please let me know if you guys enjoy this video format, and I will be sure to do more like this in the future. Now, based on the claims that you see here, you can tell that this product is mainly meant for anti-aging, but the reason that I bought it is actually because it said that it provides rich moisture, and I thought it would be great for the wintertime. Another important note is that this product is actually quite expensive. I didn't recall how expensive it was until I looked it up again on Jolcy and saw that it retails for about $30. In my opinion though, this product is actually worth the high price point. I get very dry skin in the winter, and I normally suffer from extremely dry patches around my chin, and sometimes when the temperature drops low enough, I get those patches on my cheeks as well. I've tried many different creams to combat this, but none have worked as well for me as this product. During our freezing and dry Chicago winter, this emulsion kept my skin moisturized, plump, and free of dry patches. I think it's also important to note that this never left my skin feeling greasy, because we all know that some thicker creams can do that. Also, my foundation laid perfectly over this, which again is something that you don't always get with thicker or more moisturizing creams. Overall, I would say that the pros for this product are that it's extremely moisturizing, not greasy, you get an anti-aging bonus, and it lasted me the entire winter, so it's a good amount of product. My main con for this product is definitely the price. Also, it does contain fragrance, which didn't bother my skin, but if you're sensitive to that, it's good to know. As you could probably tell, I highly recommend this product. If you're not put off by the price, I definitely say that you should try it out. And that is it for today's video, guys. I know it was short and sweet and to the point. Let me know what you thought of this, and also let me know if you're going to be purchasing this product in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all back here next time. Bye!